Ever dreamed of effortlessly growing your wealth? Wealthsimple, with its sleek app and promise of automated investing, certainly seems to make it easy. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Today, we're diving deep into the potential downsides of this popular investment platform. Let's get real about Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple has gained a massive following, particularly among younger investors. Its user-friendly interface and robo-advisor technology have democratized investing, making it accessible to those who might feel overwhelmed by traditional brokerage accounts. But, like any financial product, Wealthsimple isn't without its drawbacks. We'll explore some of the key areas where Wealthsimple might not be the best fit for everyone, including potential cost considerations, limitations on investment options, and the potential impact of market downturns. Negative number 1. Cost considerations. Let's start with the cost. Wealthsimple's fees can vary depending on the account type. While their basic investment accounts have relatively low management fees, these can add up over time, especially for larger portfolios. Hidden fees. Be mindful of potential hidden fees. Some Wealthsimple accounts might have transaction fees or other charges that aren't immediately apparent. Performance-based fees. Some accounts may have performance-based fees, meaning you will pay a higher percentage if your investments outperform certain benchmarks. It's crucial to carefully review the fee structure of any Wealthsimple account you're considering to ensure it aligns with your investment goals and budget. Negative number 2. Limited investment options. Wealthsimple offers a range of investment options, including ETFs and other diversified portfolios. However, compared to traditional brokerages, the selection might be more limited. Lack of control. This limited selection can sometimes restrict your ability to customize your portfolio and make more specific investment choices. Potential for missing out. If you're looking to invest in specific stocks, bonds, or other assets that aren't available through Wealthsimple, you might miss out on potential investment opportunities. While Wealthsimple's pre-built portfolios are designed to be diversified and suitable for most investors, those with specific investment preferences or strategies might find themselves constrained. Negative number 3. Market downturns. No investment platform is immune to market downturns. Even though Wealthsimple uses diversified portfolios designed to weather market volatility, your investments can still experience losses during periods of market decline. Emotional impact. Witnessing your portfolio value decline can be emotionally challenging. This can lead to impulsive decisions, such as selling at a loss, which can negatively impact your long-term investment returns. Risk tolerance. It's essential to understand your own risk tolerance before investing with any platform, including Wealthsimple. If you're a risk-averse investor, you might want to consider adjusting your portfolio accordingly or exploring alternative investment strategies. Wealthsimple provides educational resources to help you understand market fluctuations, but it's crucial to maintain a long-term investment perspective and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market movements. Negative number 4. Lack of personalization. While Wealthsimple's robo-advisor technology can provide personalized investment recommendations, it might not fully capture your unique financial situation and goals. Limited human interaction. Unlike traditional financial advisors, you have limited human interaction with Wealthsimple's investment professionals. Life changes. Significant life events, such as marriage, having children, or changing careers, can significantly impact your financial goals. These changes might not be automatically reflected in your Wealthsimple portfolio. If you have complex financial needs or require personalized guidance, you might benefit from consulting with a qualified financial advisor. Negative number 5. Technological reliance. Wealthsimple's platform relies heavily on technology. System outages, technical glitches, or system outages can temporarily disrupt your ability to access your account or make investment decisions. Cybersecurity risks. As with any online platform, there's always a risk of cyber attacks that could compromise your account information and potentially impact your investments. While Wealthsimple employs robust security measures, it's crucial to be vigilant about online security practices and regularly review your account activity for any suspicious activity. Now, let's address some potential concerns. Is Wealthsimple right for me? Wealthsimple can be a valuable tool for many investors, particularly beginners and those seeking a convenient and automated investment solution. However, it's essential to carefully consider the factors we've discussed, including fees, investment options, and your own risk tolerance. What are the alternatives? If Wealthsimple isn't the right fit for you, explore alternative investment platforms such as traditional brokerages, other robo-advisors, or even working with a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.